Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ungroup emails in Gmail by turning off conversation view. This is the feature that automatically bundles related emails into one thread. Some people love it, but if you prefer to see every email listed individually, here's how to make that change. First, open your Gmail account by heading to mail.google.com and logging in if you aren't already signed in. Once you're in your inbox, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, also known as the settings button. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down, you'll notice an option related to email threading. Click on it and you'll see a section called Conversation View. This is a setting that controls whether your emails are grouped together or shown separately. To ungroup your emails, simply uncheck Conversation View. After you do this, Gmail may prompt you to reload your page. If it doesn't, just refresh your browser manually. Once it reloads, your inbox will switch to showing each email individually instead of bundling them. Now, if you'd like to make sure the setting is fully saved or explore more options, you can click on See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the full Gmail settings page. In the General tab, scroll down until you find Conversation View. Select Conversation View off, then scroll down and hit Save Changes. And that's it. Your Gmail is now set to display every message on its own, making it easier to manage emails if you prefer a straightforward, chronological view. I hope this tutorial helped you take control of how your inbox looks. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.